what have you been doing so far to growing your business?
I've been reaching out to different mom groups on Facebook, and just right now posting a lot more on Instagram and on Facebook, and
Okay.
reaching out to other clients that haven't booked in a while. So kind of just like, hey, I noticed, you haven't booked in a minute. So just kind of just texting to them, and some of them they just forgot, and so they'll book again. But
Okay.
that's the only thing that I've been doing so far.
Okay. So you reach
Mm-hmm.
out to old clients on Instagram. Right.
Yes. Yeah. Post on Instagram and then Facebook mom groups.
And Facebook. All right,
Mm-hmm.
that's cool. That's a great start.
Okay.
Now let's talk about how much you're putting into trying to find new clients. Like, what would you say? Maybe an hour a day, maybe 8 hours a day, 5 hours a day. How many hours a day are you putting into trying to find your new clients?
I would say about an hour. An
Right.
hour a day. Yeah.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So now let's talk about how much time you have to put into trying to find new clients.
I could put in more time, especially this week. I definitely could put in more time because my next client is not until tomorrow, and then that's all. So I still have like Friday open and Saturday, so I can still, use all those days too to reach out.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Are you currently working a 9 to 5?
No, I just have a part-time job. It's from 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. So I still have like the rest of the day.
Okay, so 5 a.m. to 8 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
That's not bad. And is that Monday through Friday?
Wednesday through Friday, so 3 days out the week.
Okay, Wednesday through Friday. That's not bad because after 8 a.m. you still got your whole day.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
So now the question lies to what's going on with your time. So if you got 24 hours in a day. Hey, you know why you may be struggling in your cleaning company right now? It's because you're surrounding yourself with a bunch of losers. I'm sorry. I hate to sound harsh, but it's true. You need to be surrounding yourself with high-level cleaning business owners, okay? Now, I know you may say, well, where would I find them at? Like, where would I find multi-million-dollar cleaning business owners that I can network with, okay? Well, I may have the solution for you because Clean Biz Network is doing it again. We have an event coming up February 28th, 2024, okay, all the way until March the 1st, all right? And this is a networking event that you will not want to miss. We have Debbie Zardon. She's going to be speaking on stage, and she always kills it, along with my boy, Mr. Marquell Russell. He is the king of client attraction. You definitely want to stay to hear everything that he has to say. We also have Mr. Eric Coffey. He's going to be hitting the stage talking about government contracts for anybody that's interested in government contracts. You can network with him. Also, we got Carolyn hitting the stage, the cleaning business mentor. We have Raylan from the Hustle Network hitting the stage, along with DJ The Boss and a host of other speakers that's going to be there for you to network with. I mean, this is a networking event and it's going to be huge. It's going to be amazing. It's hosted all by your girl, Miss Johnson from Tenacity Academy, and it's founded by AJ Simmons, the owner of Clean Biz Network. All right, so we will all be there, and you can network with me and all my cleaning business buddies. All right, all of your favorite influencers, I guarantee you, will be in the building for you to just sit there, network, and ask them all the questions that you want to ask. Get their phone numbers and really build relationships. That's what this thing is all about. Okay, because your network is directly connected to your net worth. I'll see you guys in Vegas. Get your tickets today. Don't wait until the last minute. Don't wait until February to start booking your tickets. Get your tickets right now. I'll see you in Vegas. And after 8 o'clock, you're pretty much free. You do have some clients, but you're not like book, right?
Right, correct.
So how many clients do you have again, and how I'm trying to figure out how busy you are and where your time is going?
So typically, if I do have a client, I would say it's about 4 to 6 hours per client so far. Yeah. And tomorrow it's a 3 hour, so it's from 12 to 3. So I'll still have that gap tomorrow morning from 8 to 11 because it takes about an hour to get over there. Well, about 40 minutes. And then after 3 o'clock, I'm free. And then, like I said, Friday, I don't have anything right now.
Right. So as of this week, you only got one clean this week. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's time to get busy then.
Right. Yeah.
Time to get busy. So the problem is you're not doing enough, because
Right.
everything really works if you do enough of it. You know, if you know my story, in my beginning, when I didn't have a lot of money, I had a lot of time. So I put a lot of time into cold calling and going door to door. That was my thing. Cold calling, and I went door to door with some flyers. Simple, basic, easy. That is how I won my accounts. In any other times, like let's say I wanted to stay home and do some social media marketing, I would market on Facebook, just like you're already doing. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Nextdoor, Craigslist. Those were all my go-tos in the beginning. And then I slowly graduated onto Google Local Business. Because is your business on Google?
Yes, it just got there maybe 2 months ago. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so when you have some money, you can run some ads on Google Local Business. That's good.
Okay.
And Yelp.
Yeah.
So we use Google Local Business, Yelp, and that helped us excel as well. Okay. But in the beginning, you might not have money to buy ads and all that stuff, which is totally understandable. Do all the free stuff, because the free stuff keep your costs low. And really everything that I just said, but you need to do a lot of it. This is not a 1 hour type of situation here. Like, for me, I was able to scale fast because I put a lot into marketing. If you find yourself watching a lot of YouTube channels and you're just like on information overload, sometimes you can be on information overload. You're watching too much. Like, you know what to do now. You watch enough videos that say how to start a cleaning company. Like, pretty much, if you keep watching them videos, you're gonna get the same information from different people in different ways, and everybody talking about different softwares that do the same shit. You know what I'm saying? So at some point, you have to go out and you have to get your own experience. Right? So that's what I did, because in my journey, people were saying, you need to go employees. This is the way. You're going to get in trouble with the IRS if you do contractors, blah, 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 blah. And I got my own experience out of it, and I started doing things my way. And it worked for me.
Okay. And when you say door to door, you mean like actually put like a flyer like in their, like on their mailbox, or like get like one of those door
hangers? When I say door to door, I mean taking a flyer and you're strictly residential, correct?
Yes, right now I am.
Yeah, so you can actually go to people's house and go. I would target the high end houses though. Okay, I would target the houses that are maybe 3,000 and up square feet homes, nice neighborhoods. Go out there. Door to door, just the Jehovah's Witness knock on your door, don't they? Right. So you're in the sales position right now. You're a saleswoman. A lot of times in the beginning, we look at ourselves like we the underdog. No, you have a whole business right now. And the funny thing is, if you were running somebody else's business, you would gladly go up there, suit up, and be a salesperson for somebody else. And you wouldn't feel shame about it, right?
That's so true.
You would do it gladly. I remember my brother, he used to sell Kirby vacuum cleaners. He used to go door to door selling those vacuum cleaners. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
He was proud to do it, right? So I'm like, listen, if you can be proud, a lot of people are proud to work for other people's company. You need to do it for yourself as well. Don't be afraid if this is what you really want to do. And since you have residential, I always advise my residential people to put that booking form on your website so that your clients can book right away.
Okay. Booking form. Okay.
Right.
I'm writing that down. Okay.
Another thing that you want to do, just in case you start scaling fast, is you want to always be accepting applications. Okay. Because you're going to start to scale when you start to outsource. That's when you're going to see yourself scaling.
Okay.
All right, so you want to always be accepting applications, always, even when you don't got any houses. Hey, my name is Mrs. Johnson. I am the owner of Tenacity Clean here in Savannah, Georgia, and we are actually members of Cleaning for a Reason with Miss Debbie Sardon. She is the founder of this, and what we do is we actually clean cancer patients' homes for free. This is a nonprofit organization. I love the movement that Miss Debbie has started, and right now we're actually taking donations. I would like for you to help out Tenacity Clean gain $1,000 so that we can donate this money to Cleaning for a Reason to help out cancer patients in need. If you know anybody that's been struggling with this thing called cancer, we know it is a pain, and all we really want to do is help. Okay, so if you want to help with us, click the link down below, and we'll be looking forward to your donations. We thank you so much. You guys have a great day.